Try this at home.
Klasky Csupo, one of the world's most prominent and unpronounceable animation studios, started 25 years ago in the heart of Hollywood, in an unknown neighborhood in the City of Angels. Founded by Arlene Klasky, an American artist and graphic designer, Gabor Csupo, a poor Hungarian animator, and their dog Stocky, an English Springer Spaniel, who bit most of their clients in the rear while visiting the premises. They founded their studio in their spare bedroom with 3 pencils, 2 erasers, 500 vinyl LPs, a cheap but loud stereo system, and an angry landlord who complained about excess noise and who always was after a silly thing called past due rent. 5 years later, at a new location, they sported one of the biggest animation studios on the block. After producing countless commercials and animated movie trailers, they got involved with a little show called The Simpsons. Their first crime was to dare to paint the poor lad's skin yellow and Marge's hair blue. The network execs turned green from shock, but their skin tone did not wind up in the final color palette of the episodes. Their second crime was to make the show actually funny, which was a phenomenon unheard of on American television.
Say your name. Why should I do that, my lad?
Because I'm Jinx, damn it!
The show put Fox on the map and put Klasky Csupo into a bigger building. Then, Nickelodeon happened to come by and asked Arlene and Gabor to create a show like The Simpsons, but for children. After scientifically studying quantum physics with their own children, Rugrats was instantly born. Rugrats put Nick on the map and put Klasky Csupo into an even bigger building, employing over 500 endangered species of animators from all around the world, from Hungary, Russia, Belgium, Germany, Philippines, China, Spain, Mexico. Even Arlene Klasky started to speak with a Polish accent. Then Paramount Pictures started begging them for some hit movies too. No problem, they said, and quickly delivered 4 hit movies, one after another.
Hang on to your diapers, babies! We're going in! That's Tommy Pickles. Look, Chucky, I think they want us to stop! Don't do
Hey! Could you give a dog a little warning?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
For a minute there, I thought I actually heard you talking to me. You talking to me?
The first Rugrats movie became the first animated movie ever to cross the $100 million domestic box office barrier outside of Disney. And the rest is, as people would say, history. Gabor calls it her story, while Arlene insists that's his story. So let's watch a sample from Klasky Csupo's unprecedented cartoon cavalcade of the last 25 years. These shows made Fox, Paramount, and Viacom mega zillions of dollars. 26 2-minute bumpers for The Tracy Ullman Show on Fox. 65 half-hour shows of The Simpsons, yes, the dudes with the yellow color, on Fox. 185 half-hour episodes of Rugrats on Nickelodeon. 82 episodes of Real Monsters on Nickelodeon. 82 episodes of Duckman on USA Network. 3 primetime specials, Edith Ann on ABC. 13 episodes of Santo Bagito on CBS. 13 episodes of Stressed Eric on NBC. 82 episodes of The Wild Thornberrys on Nick. 75 episodes of As Told by Ginger on Nick. 72 episodes of Rocket Power on Nick. 65 episodes of All Grown Up on Nick. Again, I catch my breath. Between Klasky and Chupo, they received 8 Emmy Awards, 5 Cable Ace Awards, 3 Humanitas Awards, 1 Environmental Media Award, 11 Kids' Choice Awards, a Silver Hugo Award, a Hollywood Art Council Award, a British Academy Award nomination, a Genesis Award, a Hollywood Entertainment Legacy Award, a Hollywood Chamber of Commerce plaque, Rugrats' own star on Hollywood Boulevard, and countless other awards and trophies we can't possibly list without turning this reel into the unedited extended version of King Kong. 2007. Klasky Chupo's 25th anniversary also marks the new beginning of this uber animation powerhouse. Free from an exclusive Viacom contract, these relentless toon renegades are armed and ready to break new boundaries again to make a fresh megazillion dollars for new innocent bystanders. Let's take a quick look at their upcoming assault of brand new cartoon madness. Big babies, aren't we all?
Man, I was just thinking about my costume and I scared myself. You guys are gonna be so scared you will...
Junkyard Teddies.
3, 4. Oh!
Oh, I want one. Commander Bunsworth, Rabbit Space Cadet on acid. Wiener Squad, Mission Impossible with cholesterol.
Can I drive?
No.
I'll be your best friend.
Well, hell, in that case, no.
Ace Bogart, Space Ape Madness.
It's called a toilet.
It's evil.
Oh, for Pete's sakes, can you people even see in color?
Eggheads, a truly hard-boiled cartoon.
That's me, Jack Cluckman, PNN, top reporter in this town, and I am the news.
Grandpa and Julie, Shark Hunters. They ran out of sardines.
Swabbing the deck with one good hand, spying for ships with one good eye.
Grandpa, wait!
Whoa, whoa!
Ricky Z, tune for the hip-hop dudes.
Hey, what's up, dog?
Zeke and Leo, fearless mosquitoes with stinger butts. Ronnie Biddles, the boy who lies.
No, Nichols, no!
Rollin' Rockstars, star-shaped rocks without a record contract.
Some kids call her Nana, some just call her Grams. But if you've never met her, do just call her Ma'am.
My Stupid Cat. This cat is really stupid, but smarter than most sapiens.
Castle Leonard Shear. You know it grosses me out when you play with your kitty litter.
Plus, Schmutz, a tune without laundry detergent.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Wow, how did you know I wanted shower sludge?
Psycho Ferret. You won't want to pet this one. Twinkle, sparkle to young hearts. Sugarless, high school is a battlefield.
Thought it was supposed to rain today. Bummer.
What's Cooking? A gourmet spy adventure.
Who is this kid? We're secret agents.
Sweet.
Hogsters, easy riders without dope.
On your marks. Get set. Go!
Kevin's Kitchen, cooking tots with knives.
Kevin's Kitchen.
Here you go, Kevin. And this one's for you, McNeil. No, Boomer.
And for primetime tube, Immigrants, the American dream on a tourist visa.
To ladies who run.
Citizen Tony, everyday guy fights for justice.
Hi there.
Stinky Pierre wears no deodorant.
Pepper isn't just a pin-up girl, she's an artiste.
You Animal, beastie adventures in Hollywoodland. Chuck Sweet, Tom Arnold as family dad.
Now, you wouldn't want that, would you, honey?
Bench Presley, Vegas detective on the loose.
Ladies?
Bukowski, the way the dead love.
Put the $4 down on the exacta in the 9th. Titwillow and Taster's Choice in that order.
That's a madman's wager.
Then it's perfect for you.
Prison, don't drop the soap.
Hey, bunk beds.
Plus, And if all this was not quite enough for some finicky folks, here's a sample from Mr. Chupo's fearless live-action directorial debut, Bridge to Terabithia.
That's impossible.
You can see the whole kingdom from up here. Look at it.
What do we call this place?
Terabithia. Just close your eyes, but keep your mind wide open.
Finally, to wrap this all up, we will now show 3.5 hours of uninterrupted commercials from Ka-Choo, Klasky Chupo's award-winning commercial division. Just kidding.